Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just wanted to bring to you guys the saving of this battery. It's called Power Queen. Regular price, you can see $319.99, and currently you can uh, s- click on the $40 coupons, and looks like we might have something more. Right here, promotions here, save 1%, 2% with purchase. So if you buy more than one item, you're gonna the saving increases from 1% to 2% all the way to 3%. Okay, so what is this? Look at this battery. The review is really good. It's 4.6 out of 5, and it has a total of 333 rating. So it's a 12 volt, 100 amp LiFePO4 battery. So it comes out to about 1,280 watt hours. Lithium battery, 100 amp BMS, and you can charge this thing up to 15,000 recyclable cycles. That's a lot. So you can use this as said right here. It's perfect for it supports series and parallels. In other words, meaning you can connect more than one uh, batteries together. You can use this for RV camping, trolling motors, or solar power storage. Okay, we just go through some of the pictures that they have. You can see here. This is the difference between the CO lead acid battery, and this is the difference 4,000 plus cycles, lighter weight, only 24 pounds compared to 780 pounds. Fast 2 hours charging compared to 10 hours, and you can use this battery up to 100% usage, and like the other one only used about what 60 70%. And the lifespan on this battery about 10 years compared to the others 2 to 3 years. And it's right here. And if you want to use it as with solar, you need, of course, you need a solar panel. You need the MPPT charge controller, and you need definitely need the inverter. And once you have all those, and not including our little wires connectors together to put into an actual power stations. There's many videos on YouTube that will show you guys how to do it. I already made one and I really like it. But this battery, it's $320 minus $40. That's about $280 for the price. This is really really affordable, and this is looks like a good battery as well. All right, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for checking it out. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.